so excited. Did you see that? My elastic is broken. This weird thing. Starting good. Well, hey guys. I'm so excited because I have my slime package. I am so excited. Yes. And I think what? Because it's in a troll's eggs. It's in a troll's eggs package, but cool bag. I'm so happy. So look at this. I'm gonna open it. So guys, I am open it already. I'm gonna see what it is. Oh wait, first a paper. She says, "Hey you, here's the slime package. Here are the slimes. Clear jelly slime was $5. Butter slime was $5, and the extras are $10. I don't know how many extras in here, but yeah. And here it is. I hope you like it. Yeah, it was $20. You see, because 10, 5, and $5 is $20. So yeah, you gotta check her on Instagram. She's so crazy. But I'm gonna do it. Yeah. What is this? I think this is my. Is this my clear jelly slime? I think this is my clear jelly slime. So. Oh. Huh? It's not clear jelly slime. It is just Lumens with some, what's the name of this weird things? And whoa, it smells good. Oh, what the heck? I think it's just of these balls that it smells good. Yeah, these balls are smelling good. There's so much in it of these balls. Yeah, I can't. Let us see. Look how much. Wow. There are some yellows in it, blues, and purple or red. I don't think so. But yeah, white Lumens. But it smells so good. So yeah, first extra. Oh my god. The frick? What the frick is this? No, I think this is not slime. What is this? Oh my gosh! It's a fart finger! Ugh! It's a fart finger. You fart. No, you! But, very cool. I like it. Is this an LPS? Hey, Lily's Pet Shop. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh my god, I like it so much. Oh, it's a little bit of stinks. So yeah. But oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh, I'm gonna make more videos of it. What is this? Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Look. I have not seen the slime yet, so I think the extras are just gone right now. I hope so. So yeah, my finger stinks a little bit. But whoa, very beautiful. I'm gonna wear it every day. Oh my god. I think this is the extra. Oh my gosh, it stinks. I think the little pet shop doll, it stinks from this, but what's inside of it? Is this my clear slime? It don't look like, but it can be butter slime because it's not yellow, and my butter slime is gotta be fluffy. Oh my! How old is this slime? It's not clear. Yeah. My goodness. Look at this. It's not clear. It's just clear green, and I want it all clear, and it stinks. And it broke because it's jelly maar, but I just want jiggly slime. And that's, I can stretch it. And it's not bubbly. My goodness, look at this. This is not any slime. And I'm gonna put this away. It's so old, it stinks. Oh my god. No. Oh my god, one moment guys, I'm gonna wash my hands. Much better. Oh my gosh. So yeah, let's go to the next one. I just feel a bowl. What is this freaky stuff? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's glitter foam. I'm gonna put this away. Too much glitter on my bed. So glitter foam, alright? Are you just freaking serious? Oh my god. Is there any butter slime in this? What is this? Are you kidding me? No. Yeah, I mean, it's very cute, but it's not even slime. I mean, so much extras and so... I can't find my slime. It's just a cool troll bag. It's not an extra or something. I think this is the wrong bag. Yeah. Angry Bird. Oh my god. Are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? No way. No, this can't be real. Are you serious? And a slime, Pagaja? This is not even slime. Are you freaking serious? My goodness. What is this? A troll's egg? Wait a minute. Here I have just troll's egg up myself. These are the real troll's egg, I think. It's just off the toy time. And I think this is another... Oh my gosh. Freaking serious. What's inside of it? Oh, my butter slime. Look at this. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is this... No way. This is not even slime. Here, I can make bubbles with it. Look. It broke. Yeah, I mean, it's just so yellow like bananas. And I mean, a little bit lighter, yeah. But this is not even slime. It's so soft. Yeah, I know, it's so soft. Thanks for the soft slime. But I think this is not even slime. It's just modal magic. Or something else. But, yeah, thanks for the troll's egg. Is this not extra? Oh my goodness. The powder slime is not okay. The clear slime is not okay. Wait, there's one from the left in this. Another troll egg. Freaking serious. With a sticker on it. My goodness. What is it? Is this candy? Are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Look at this. There is freaking candy in a slime, Pagaja. I'm waiting for 2 months. I'm not gonna eat this because I'm waiting 2 months for it. It comes from Australia. I don't know how to say it, but this is so old. It smells good. Miss, I gotta try one. Oh, it's so hard. Oh my god. It tastes good, but can be good. All candy are not delicious, so miss. And there's nothing inside of it. No, are you freaking kidding me? So, and I'm gonna put all this in the bag. And I'm not happy with this. The clear slime. Oh my god. Is this, are you freaking kidding me? Is there water? Is there water? Are you freaking kidding me? Oh! I'm done. Me. But it smells so good. But why loom bands and some freaking, oh my gosh. And she say, I hope you like it. Now you can say, no, I don't like it. Because you can't be serious right now. Because the clear slime is not clear, it's green. And the butter slime is not real slime. It's just so soft. It isn't slime. And the Trollzak, the extras are just $10. It was $20 for 2 slimes and so much extras. You know, I'm never gonna do this again with that girl. And I just said she's amazing. Now she's not amazing. Don't check her on Instagram and don't ask her on slime. She's just stupid. Are you freaking kidding me? Clear slime is not clear. The butter slime is not slime. Are you freaking kidding me? I gotta said to her, this is the wrong package. No, it's not clear slime. And a butter slime, no, it's not slime. Oh my god, how many times I saying this? I don't like it, you know it now. But, yeah. Subscribe on my channel, give a like on this video, leave a comment and below. And bye to the next video.